All right, what's going on, guys? Just going to do a quick recap on how I got 40% on Google puts today. So you'll see over here, I said looking to short Google this morning at 164.45 to the 165 area, and I'm looking to take the 160.11 DTEs. I did take at 9:32, 2 minutes into market open, those Google 160 puts, 11 DTEs, and I put rolling profits into August 16 160s as well. I'm catching those for 40%. So I sent this out pre-market. I just looked at the market in the morning, and there was a few names that I saw that looked really, really good for a short, just risk to reward based on larger time frames from where they're at. One of those being Google. So how did I find this area? Why did I say I was looking to short Google up in that area and then catch the nice rejection here and then the extra freaking move that happened later on? And actually scaled out majority of the position going into the close, but I did swing some of the Google puts. So if we go back here on, let's just do 15-minute chart, all right? So if you guys haven't checked the previous thread that I posted on how I find these areas, I'll put it in the post here. So I say this is one of the things. It's the easiest thing to do. It's support and resistance. So here on Google, back here on Friday, August 2nd, you see how I marked the high right here? I would mark this area right here, right? And then at the end of the day, I would mark this area right here, right? That's a nice little rejection right there. So looking at previous price action right here, if you notice, when Google hit this area, it got a nice buy. And then it had a huge gap to the downside. And you'll notice when it did the SR flip and it got retested, look what happened, a huge move to the downside. Ever since then, again, this is Friday, August 2nd, and then this is Monday, August 5th. This is the first time Google has retested this area again. So now that we're on the underside of it, it's the same thing right here. Since it's hitting it again, risk to reward says until this breaks and holds above it, like over here, if it does a break, hold above it, look to get calls and take it up higher, right? That's the SR flip. Until then, it's puts. So again, I'm going to attach the thread in here. It's nothing more than just identifying these spots here on a lot of these names. So that is honestly the sole reason on why I shorted Google at the open this morning. Right there. The second it entered into that zone, again at 9:32 a.m. Eastern, I smacked those Google puts. At the same time, I went over this in the Sunday night stream last night. The daily 9 EMA at that time, right now it's at 164. To start the day, the daily 9 EMA was higher. It was actually in the middle of the zone here. So it's going to be this blue EMA right here. So it's a little bit lower as of right now due to the current price action for the day of Google going to the downside. But to start the day, it was up here in the middle of the zone on Sunday night session last night, and then again pre-market and then at open this morning. So you have the daily 9 EMA rejection and close under. You'll see same thing happened here last time it hit the daily 9 EMA. It got that next move down. So the trend right now is lower lows and lower highs. So retesting up here at the daily 9 EMA, it's a short. And then it just happened to line up exactly with that zone. And that was just the reason on why I end up shorting Google today. So really simple technical analysis, a really good trade, and that's it. So hope you guys learned something from this, and I'll catch you on the next one.